Hello friends! This video is about a stylish knit, featuring a texture reminiscent of Chanel's style and the coarse woven tweed often found in her designs. With this knit, you can add style and elegance to any garment. At the end of the video, I will demonstrate how to knit this pattern in the round. The pattern consists of 2 stitches and 4 rows. Long stitches are used, maintaining the knit's structure stable in both directions. We start with an odd number of stitches plus 2 edge loops. Initially, you might knit a few basic rows in a 1x1 rib stitch. We begin with a purl stitch and finish with a purl stitch. Row 1 wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 2, and then create a yarn over loop. Again, knit 2, yarn over. We will utilize the yarn over loops in the next row to form long loops. To finish the row, knit 1 loop outside the pattern. Row 2 right side. Purl 1. Drop the yarn over loop. Then slip 1 loop with the yarn at the back and gently pull it. Again, purl 1, drop 1, and slip 1. To conclude the row, purl 1 outside the pattern. Row 3 wrong side. First, slip the edge loop. Then knit 1 and slip 1. Then knit 1 and slip 1. Knit 1 and slip 1 until the end of the row. To finish the row, knit 1 outside the pattern. Row 4 right side. We work with loops in pairs. 1 long loop and 1 purl loop. Slip the purl loop with the yarn at the back. Knit the long loop. Again, slip 1, knit 1. Slip 1, knit 1 until the end of the row. To complete the row, slip 1 loop outside the pattern. When knitting in the round, start with an even number of stitches. The row begins with a purl loop and ends with a knit loop. Row 1. Purl 1. Make a yarn over loop. Purl 1. Purl 1. Make a yarn over loop. Purl 1. Row 2. Purl 1. Drop the yarn over loop, and slip 1 with the yarn at the back. Purl 1. Drop the yarn over loop, and slip 1 with the yarn at the back. Row 3. Purl 1. Slip 1 with the yarn at the back. Row 4. We work with loops in pairs, 1 long loop and 1 purl loop. Slip 1 with the yarn at the back, then knit 1. Slip 1 with the yarn at the back, then knit 1. Alongside its appealing texture, reminiscent of a coarse woven fabric, this knit boasts a stable structure that prevents knitted items from stretching or twisting diagonally. I wholeheartedly recommend using this beautiful and straightforward technique to create unique and luxurious garments and accessories with a fine texture and elegant Chanel-style aesthetic. It would delight me if you incorporated it into your future projects. I truly advocate for it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Not Space Shop icon to view my knitting creations. Whether you're seeking something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm certain you'll love. Thank you ever so much for being part of the audience that watches my channel. I truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.